First up is the John Mayer signature model. Let's see how this one sounds. Okay, guitar number 2, this is the Eric Clapton signature model. It feels similar to the John Mayer. I'll add here that I'm using stock strings on all these demos and the token A350 flat pick. Okay, next up is a Martin DSS-17 and a Whiskey Sunburst. Let's see what we got. By the way, folks, if you're wanting to get started on bluegrass guitar, there's a free mini course down below that's going to teach you all the basics. If you're ready to dive in head first, you can join hundreds of other students around the world that are taking advantage of my beginner-friendly bluegrass guitar course, Flatpick Foundations. It's made for those folks that have tried to learn, but maybe you think it sounds impossible, or you go to look at a tab and you're like, how do I do this? It's a step-by-step growing library of bluegrass lessons that are stripped down to give you just what you need to learn how to play like Billy Strings. There's lots of information below in the description as well. Next guitar is a Martin CEO7 listed at $32.99. I played this one before the video started. I'm excited to let you guys hear this. Let me know what you think about all these down in the comments. All the guitars I'm demoing today are brand new, but this one is the exception. This is a 1975 D28. It is priced at $3,999.95. Let's see what it's got. Okay, next guitar is the Billy Strings signature model D28. If you've watched this channel, I've done several reviews, different videos on the Billy Strings DX2E model. This is the Mac Daddy, priced at $3,799. I've never seen one of these nor played one of these, so this is the first time. Let's see how this one sounds. Yeah. I like the way this guitar feels. Let me know if I should think about buying one of these. For full reviews down in the comments below. Let's get to the next Dreadnought. This is an HD 35. It's priced at $36.99 here at the CIDERVILLE. Probably has to do with the body style here that I'm used to, but the last two guitars, the Billy Strings and then the HD 35, these have been the two easier guitars to play for me personally so far today, but let's keep going. The shiniest and the most expensive guitar demo today. So far, this is a D41, so set you back $52.99 here at the Cider House. Okay, I'm excited for this last guitar. If I had money to go all in on a new Martin guitar, it would likely be one of these authentic models. This is a 1937 Age D28, so it's a new guitar, but it's modeled after the specs of that era. I would probably get the mahogany version of this guitar if I had the money. He said they had one and it just sold recently, and he also mentioned that David West, the former owner of CIDERVILLE, kept this guitar out of like the original shipment that he got in of these authentics. He didn't play it, but he just wanted to keep one, and this one's recently come out for sale, if I understand correctly. So that being said, let's see how this one sounds. It is priced at a hefty $10,000. Okay, I hope that helped you guys at home understand the sounds between different Martin guitars. I'm probably going to play a couple of these a little bit longer. If you are around the Knoxville area, make sure you stop by CIDERVILLE Music. If you're wanting to get started on bluegrass guitar, if you think it's too difficult or you don't know where to begin, check out Flatpick Foundations. That's my beginner-friendly bluegrass guitar course. It's an ever-growing membership of bluegrass beginner-friendly lessons that you can get in there. It's going to cost you roughly about the same price as a month of lessons for a lifetime access into those lessons. Hundreds of folks from around the world inside the program now learning how to play. Let's hear what a couple of them have to say about Flatpick Foundations.
Before Cody's lessons, I only knew some basic guitar chords. But after signing up, I have a lot more confidence playing with others. I've got a lot of different guitar licks under my belt. And he throws in a lot of music theory, which helps me out at the bluegrass jams that I go to.
It's been such a great learning experience. I'm new to bluegrass and new to the guitar. His segments are broken down into like 5 or 6 minute units with tabs, and it's just so helpful. I can't recommend this class enough to anybody who's wanting to get into bluegrass and start to learn kind of the basics and work yourself up.
Okay folks, thanks so much for watching. Stop by CIDERVILLE Music and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.